Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. That one is completely free, but in this video I want to walk you through something different. It's a paid EA called JapanStrike from a marketplace called RobotForexPro. So let us start on the site itself. RobotForexPro is a marketplace that lists several expert advisors, and each one shows results that are verified by Myfxbook, along with a note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so that is exactly the mindset we should carry into this whole review. Right on the Japan Strike product page, the first thing confirmed is the platform. All right, this one is built for MetaTrader 4. Okay, and if you are an MT5 only trader, this particular tool won't apply to you. It is currently listed at $199, down from a regular price of $450, and the license covers either one live plus or either one live plus one demo account or two live accounts. Now, it's worth noting that demo and live accounts both count toward that limit. Okay, so scrolling down, the EA is built specifically around USDJPY on the M15 time frame, using what the developer describes as rules-based support and resistance logic. Okay, so rather than guessing at random entries, it is designed to react to price when it approaches key levels. It is built to work with both standard and ECN MT4 brokers, and the risk management settings are adjustable, so you are not locked into one fixed lot size or stop loss approach. Now let us get into the historical performance, because this is where it gets interesting. There are two accounts shown here. As we can see, the first is a new black bull market account showing a gain of 142.33% with a drawdown of 9.35%, a daily average of 0.52%, and a monthly average of 17.58%. The second is an old ex-chief account, which the developer notes was closed because the broker changed servers. You can see that it's not because of performance issue. Apparently, that older account shows a much larger gain of 2,832%, but also a noticeably higher drawdown of 26.24%. All right, now from a trader's perspective, that gap between the two accounts is worth sitting with. A bigger headline gain paired with a bigger drawdown usually means more risk was being carried at some point, whether through lot sizing, market conditions, or broker execution differences. It's a good reminder that these are historical results from specific accounts and specific conditions, and it's not a guarantee of what the EA will do going forward on your own setup. All right, so let's just also visit the Myfxbook page that is linked to these images. So we can see that this is for the second account here, right? The ex chief account, and this seems to be a live account. We can see here real. All right, and okay, we have already talked about the gain, 2832%. Absolute gain was 3,773.64%. All right, we see a profit here of $19,493.49, and the withdrawals was over $20,000, while the deposit was just $700. Okay, so that looks pretty impressive. But the drawdown was at 26.24%. Okay, and it was updated on the 15th of July 20. Okay, the date is not specified here, but as at the time of recording this video, the date is 24th of July. Okay, so the update seems to be pretty um recent. Okay, I can see here May 6th, 2026. All right, so this shit's probably 2026. Okay, so let's go see the second, rather the first account. All right, so we can see in this case deposit was $200, no withdrawals, balance $489, and the last update was July 17th. July 17th. All right. Now, before wrapping up, it is worth remembering that things like your broker spread, your execution speed, and your own risk settings can all shift these numbers in either direction. All right. This EA also is not for resale or copy trading. Okay, it is licensed strictly for personal use, and delivery happens by email once you provide your MT4 account number. All right, so just a very quick view of the key features. You can see optimized for USDJPY, intended for M15 time frames, uses support and resistance trading logic, and it works with standard and ECN MT4 brokers, adjustable risk management settings, and the quick setup and user-friendly configuration, and it's for only MetaTrader 4. All right. So to sum it up, JapanStrike is an MT4 only EA focused on USDJPY, using support and resistance logic with two historical accounts showing very different risk profiles. It might be worth testing further on a demo account first, especially if the higher drawdown numbers give you pause. As always, no expert advisor is right for every trader or every market condition. So you ought to do your own due diligence before making any decision. All right. If you want to purchase the EA, of course, you should be able to do your due diligence and be comfortable with what you see before you make any necessary financial commitment. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Meanwhile, don't forget to also share the video with other trader friends who you think are going to find it valuable. Cheers and stay profitable.